In today's video, I'll be showing you how to place a withdrawal on Celeste. So first of all, this is how much I've been able to make so far. As you can see, this is my available balance. Let me convert it to Naira so that you know how much it is. This is how much I've been able to make from Celeste in just 1 week of joining Celeste. I've been able to make over 112,800. That's how much I've been able to make in just 1 week. That's someone's 3 month salary or even more. So I'll convert it back to euros. Okay, I'm convert it back to euros. Alright guys, so first of all, once you log into your dashboard and you want to place a withdrawal from Celeste, minimum withdrawal for referrals is 14,000 naira and above. Then why for the tax? Tax is at least 28,000 naira and above. And for the referrals, withdrawals is Monday, Thursdays and Saturday. Monday, Thursdays and Saturday. So I was able to make this amount in just the space of 1 week, and also cashing out from playing games. So that's it. So first of all, you have to click here, this 3 icon. It takes you here. You see here withdrawal. But before you can be able to place a withdrawal on Celeste, you have to first of all update your bank details. So make sure your bank details has been updated. I've created a video about that, so go and watch the videos. So first of all, you see this place, you click on it, you scroll down, put the amount you want to withdraw. For now, I'll be withdrawing 56.35. That's how much I want to withdraw. Then you see this place there, you click on withdraw. You see it there, you confirm. Here is to confirm that the details, you understand, the detail is correct before you place your withdrawal. Make sure it is correct before you place your withdrawal. Then see what they say there. Please confirm the withdrawal details before completing the withdrawal, as this cannot be reversed. Okay. Then you click on confirm. Once you have confirmed that it is your bank name and your bank account number, you click on confirm. You put in your PIN. You verify PIN. Withdrawal has been placed successful. You screenshot it. You can choose to download the receipt if you want for future purposes. You download it, you click on download to download it. So this is it. If you are coming across our channel for the first time, kindly like and subscribe so that you get notified whenever we post a new video about Celeste. Whoa! Immediately I place a withdrawal, Celeste has credited me. Jesus. You can see how fast it is. Just now, I just placed withdrawal and immediately it came through. Wow. Celeste is the best. Wow. Very fast and reliable. I've received my withdrawal of 56 euros. I know that 1 euro is equivalent to 2,000 naira. So this is over 112,700 naira. As you can see it here. Wow. Celeste is massive, guys. So if you are still snoozing on this update, if you are still thinking, Celeste is a scam, don't snooze on this update. It's really paying, guys. Stop playing. Celeste is the best. Celeste is the best. Stop snoozing on this update. Click on the link around this video to get started right now.